All right, here we go. One box of Big Bang Theory. 6 spots, 4 packs per spot. I'm gonna roll the dice. See how many times we hit the randomizer. We came a 1. Don't do a 1. Don't do 2. Hey, 5 times on the randomizer. 1, 1, 3. So 5 times on the randomizer. I'm gonna cut this open. I say we're gonna give them a little shuffle. Cool. Give them a little shuffle. Number them. Start numbering them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. 3, 24. I'll number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Cool. So here we go. We're going to hit the randomizer. We got Pierce 195 at the top, Mr. St. Louis at the bottom. We're going to hit it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time coming, buena suerte. 5, Mr. St. Louis on the top. Claude 96 at the bottom. So there you go. You can actually see the list right there. I'll let you guys look at the list. Know what this is your pack number on the left. That is your pack number on the left. Actually, got to copy it to Excel and then make sure you memorize it, remember it. Copy. Team draw results. Big 23 Cryptozoic Big Bang Theory copy. Break. Pack draw. Oops. Draw. Alright. Publish. Alright, view post. Let's come back here. And here you go. There's your actual pack draw. The box is empty. Alright, so we got Mr. St. Louis with pack number 1, number 4, number 7, and number 8. Oh wait, number 8, number 13, number 17, number 19. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one did I miss? 13, 17, 9. Number 9. Right here, number 9. Okay. So 8 and 9. Alright, cool. Now we got Jay Woods is next. Jay Woods got pack number 2. Jay Woods pack number 2, 16, and 20. Alright, Jay Woods number 2. Then we've got Pierce, pack number 3, number 10, number 11, 14. I believe the rest are quads. 5, 6, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22. No, 22 is J-Weeds. 20, 22. What do I have you down? 2, 16. What did I do? 2, 16, 20, 22. Oh, okay. Yeah. 4 packs. 23 and 24. All right, cool. Sorry. It was 3 packs instead of 2. I mean 4. 4 instead of 3 is what it was. All right. Okay. Thank you. All right, we get you the close-up view here. You guys get the chest right in the chest. Take off the autofocus. There we go. Good. All right, we're gonna start off with Mr. St. Louis. Mark. Buena suerte, Mark. Here is pack number 1. I've yet to pull a Kaylee Kuko. We pulled Galecki and a fair trade. Quotables. Sheldon, I have sheep. I need wood. Who has wood for my sheep? Come on. Just want wood. Why are you making it so hard? Kind of like a little refractor type of card. Sheldon. Jim Parsons. Pack number 4. Yeah, snubbed in BT's break, huh? Oh, man. Sorry. Mint in box. Howard's Mission. Wonderland. Pack number 7. Six new friends. Mommy needs. Ooh, we got a die cut. Big Bang Theory. Raj. It's like a pop-up, like the old Topps pop-ups. You can see right there around his silhouette where it cuts out and it pops up. Raj. Oh, nice. Pack number 8. That's pack number 8. The Wedding. I just showed that one on TV the other day. Spin the Teacups. Prenup and Power Outage. Pack number 9. Late Night Bongos. Cooper Coupons. 6 new friends. That is the best card in the whole set right there. Raw Sexuality. Kaylee Kuko. In my honest opinion, that is the best card. Beta Test. I need to get a mag for that one card. That card goes magged. Card number 13. Pack number 13. Yeah. Oh, easy to open. I said that one. Huh. Lady friend. Checkmate. Quick Draw McGraw. Sad Face, and our checklist. Card number, pack number 17 for Mr. St. Louis. The Bully. Not a Date. Haircut Records. A Mother's Advice. And Getting the Mail. Pack number 19. Let's St. Louis. My special day, her baby, being nice, bacon grease, and maybe a felon. Thank you, Mark. Should I get these all out to you? Yeah, Jaywood's next. Oh, I keep them. Pack number 2. Oh, I keep them, Mark. So you said your wife loved the show. We got Travel Twister, Wedding Website, Death Ray, Dreams Do Come True, and Snake Eyes. She doesn't like the base cards. Pack number 16. Pew Pew Pew, The Painting, Grief-Stricken Widow, Warning Signs, and Conclusive Proof. Pack number 20. Man, where is the autograph? Wedding Fever. Uh-oh, we got the autograph. Smart as a Whip. And, oh, no, that's a die cut. Sheldon. No, pop-up. I don't know why I call it a die cut. It's not a die cut, but it's a pop-up. Push it out. Pops up. Sheldon. Magic and the Chair of Death. Last pack. Pack number 22. Sheldon Super Fractor. That'd be dope. That'd be dope if they had chrome cards in this stuff. Imagine. Whew. A High Honor. Small Lizards. Fun with Flags. Stuck at 9. And card number 1. I know. I saw the white and blue. I thought it was going to be the autograph, Jeff. I'm sorry. Imagine a Sheldon Superfractor. All right, we got David up next. David Pierce. We got pack number 3. Smaller Lizard, Fun with Flags, Getting the Mail, Stuck at 9, and card number 1. Pack number 10. Chicken Dance, Date Night, Vacation, City Hall, Involuntary Twinkle, I'm sorry. Right? Especially in my side of town. We got pack number 11. Mommy Needs a Foot Rub, 9th Favorite Person, Travel Orders, Emergency Preparedness Drill, and Bachelor Party. Just of California. Pack number 14. And Special Star, Church of Sheldon, Forced Retirement, Feeling Guilty, Hoe Training. Alright, we got Claude. 196, pack number 5. Dump, 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 dump. Dump, dump, dump. There she is again. Dump, dump, dump. Pack number 12. That was pack 6. This is pack 12 now. Right, Ryan? Pull the auto ready. I'm going. Airbox no hit. 15. This guy makes sure he knows which packs he's getting. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I tried to scare an Indian with a snake. Come on, Cooper, you're better than this. That was a Halloween one, huh? 18. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Vern Watson as Althea. Vern Watson. She's the, isn't she the, is she the, no, she's not. Is she the, no, she's not the one that was on the treadmill. I can't remember her name. All right, we still have a relic to go. Bernie Watson. The relic pack number 23 coming up. And here it is. It was pack number 24. Our relic is Jim Parsons, Sheldon Cooper, authentic wardrobe. Shows you the actual wardrobe they wore. I don't know. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. All right, that was cool. Thank you guys.